Welcome back for another Litecoin price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you reasons why Litecoin can see a break above the $100 mark ahead of the Litecoin halving event. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And starting the video by sharing the Litecoin halving countdown, you can see that we now have 4 days, 3 hours and 14 minutes at the time of this recording to the next Litecoin halving event. And this is like 3 days by the time you are seeing this video. And this is an event that I'm expecting will bring about a lot of volatility. And getting back to the charts to give you my technical analysis, you can see that Litecoin at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We are also trying to break above resistance at around the $91.35 mark. And the moment we see a break above that key area of resistance, we can watch out for a successful retest, then continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $97.67 mark. Litecoin has also now given us a breakout out of a chart pattern that I have been giving you in my previous videos, which is this triangle that I have here on the charts, having this as a horizontal area of resistance. And we also have this, that is a descending area of resistance, and this horizontal area of support right here. And as a result of these two lines, we now have a triangle that has been in formation that has now given us a breakout to the upper side. And the minimum target areas for the breakout can be given by the height of the triangle. So using a trend line, I was able to get that height, placed it at the area of the breakout, giving me a minimum target area at around the $112.61 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Litecoin to do for the breakout out of this triangle that you have been trading within. Litecoin has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our breakdown move on the 14th of June, giving us a low at around the $70.59 mark, we started gearing up obeying the Elliot structures, where we first picked in the formation of this wave 1, then we saw wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then the wave 5 giving us a high above the $115 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this retarget area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that soon we are going to see a reaction of the target area, start gearing up impulsively in the formation of this wave 3, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $159.27 mark. And that is the minimum that I can expect Litecoin to do in the formation of that wave 3. So here on the charts, we need to pay attention to the key area of resistance at around the $91.35 mark, because a 4-hour close above that with a successful retest, then we can see Litecoin gear up above the $95 mark and possibly get above the $97.67 mark. And maybe from that point we can fully maximize our target area by getting above the $100 mark and giving us a high at around the $112.12 mark. Alternatively, in case we see further breakdown on the charts, then I think the key area of support at around the $82.62 mark needs to continue holding here on the Litecoin chart for my bullish Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side to also play out in the next coming days in case we see a breakdown to the lower side. And that is what I'm expecting here on the Litecoin chart. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 55 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out and I will be keeping you up to date.